Jimmy might be down and hurt right now, but he wanted to get out there and get some heat from in the snow before another snowstorm comes, so pushed him out. Surprisingly, the thing fired right up. Don't know how, but it did. It never starts. So now it runs. I mean, just got to get repaired. We got our new strange struts, adjustable strut cup. Team Z came through with a motor plate for us. We'll go through this whole thing right now. I know, guys, I haven't posted no videos in a long time, but this motor plate, the motor plate's tweaked, as you can see. I'll shut it off. We'll go through some of it. I'll show you what's going on and what Joe's gonna do. All right, like I said, for starters, you can see this motor plate is tweaked the fuck out. Team Z came through. Appreciate them, long time helpers of me, sponsors, supporters, and they got a motor plate on the way. The reason that bent is because these bars up here, as you can see, this one right here is tweaked in. So this tweaked, that whole bar came up, hit the steering. You can see right here where the steering is just rubbing on that, so it's a bitch to steer right now. Wheels are kind of out of whack. Believe it or not, the struts are good. We got away with these 2.5-inch struts. I mean, you know, 2.5 inches of travel forever. As you can see, it used to have some bars that came up higher. So what we did is, well, not what we did. Joe suggested, we know what works with no travel. Let's just have it there to have it. So got some 6.5 inches of travel coming from the struts we got from Strange, and we're gonna put new bars that come all the way across. Boom, nice long strut, a little bit of fabrication. This one's gonna be a little bit of a bitch because of you know, it's a tight spot right here, but we'll lose this top bar, keep everything on the bottom, and Joe's gonna build everything top up. We're gonna do a little bit of weight reduction in the front. Alternator, we don't drive this thing on the street, and in between rounds I'm always putting it on a charger anyway, so lose the alternator, put a 16 volt in there. We're gonna have to figure out this because this is in the way, so maybe lower this a little or get a shorter top half and relocate it. I mean, do we really need it for this stock block shit? Probably not, but everything works, so I'm real superstitious, and I don't like changing weights around, so I want to try and keep everything basically as close to the same as I can. If it was up to me, there would be no maintenance, but Tyler and Joe were like, yo, if we're gonna do it, Pete, at least put new head gaskets on this thing while we got it out. So all right, we'll put new head gaskets on it, because, you know, me and maintenance, I just don't do it. So, but I'm gonna do it to make them happy. This way, if something happens, they can't say, told you so, you idiot. And as you can see, this whole thing tweaked out. These all broke. This came up, which is another reason everything's all fucked up. So you're gonna have to redo this. Anybody out there got a nice little header panel? I could use one. I mean, I could probably fix this, but whatever. We'll see. Could have been a lot worse. What else? What else are we doing that's fucked up? Well, my ultimate thing right before all this happened was I was gonna take this over to the dyno, take off, you know, do a pull with the on3 turbo, see what it does. Bolt a good turbo on that Scotty and Tyler were gonna lend me, and see what the difference was power wise, and just do a back-to-back comparison. But we ended up fucking it up before it got to that point. So after we get it back together, we'll do that. We're not sure what our next race will be. Joe's a busy man, so when he can fit me in, he'll get me in and get me done. Little back pressure sensor, Tyler hooked me up with that. Start getting some data. Supposed to have some other sensors coming that I just got from Meatball, so I'll grab those, put those on, so we'll have shock sensors, whole bunch of sensors, man. So we're really stepping it up, because we don't have no sensors really. I'm not like a big sensor guy, so let's see what happens. This should be a good season for us. A lot of changes, and just gonna concentrate on you know, doing the no prep, like the back of the track shit. Can't do the front of the track. No prep is shit, they're going fast, probably 430s, 420s. It's crazy. And now you got 28, 10.5 going in the threes on a slick. It's, you know, hats off to Bill Lutz, man. He's a bad man. He did it, and he's flying. I mean, there's a handful of others in the threes, but Bill holds the record right now. He's a bad dude. And I don't know if you can see it in this video. This lower right here is tweaked up right there. So I was gonna make a new one. And you can see where this is where it hit, and it just bent, man. It bent. It's what happens. It's part of racing, right? And guys, I apologize for the big lapse in videos. There's just been nothing to film. You know, if you don't got nothing to film, there's no videos to make. You just don't want to see me sitting around working, doing nothing, right? Work is kind of boring. So, like I said, now we'll start rolling on the car. Parts are rolling in. Get this over to Joe, and hopefully I could keep up with some footage and get back to doing it and keeping you guys in the loop. All right, Jimmy's tucked away now. Snowblower's ready to rock and roll and do work. Now we just sit and wait for the snow. That's it. Here comes the snow. That's when you eat good. Good chicken noodle soup, some steak, mashed potatoes, all the good stuff, right? Again, big shout out to Strange, Jake, Cameron, the whole crew over there, man. Looking forward to getting these bad boys on. Jimmy 2.0 coming. Shout out to my little film girl, Kylie. She's over there filming for me. I feel like a trained professional right now. Give yourself, show everybody you. Say hi to everybody. All right. All right, we had some presents arrive in the mail today. Big shout out to Team Z Motorsports, Dave, Frank, the whole crew over there. Got us on motor plate. We'll get that cut up. If you don't have this yet, man, go cop this thing. Gasoline, Burnouts, and Freedom. Team Z Motorsports, man. Get this on their website, man. If you don't have it yet, you gotta have it. Go cop it.